Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon and then tap on it. In settings, find the option called sounds and vibration and select it, and here scroll down and find the vibration strength option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have 3 levels of vibration intensity. We have strong, weak and none. Select the one you like and then press on OK to confirm. And after you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.